Are you on a hunt for a credit union that offers fantastic benefits and understands your financial needs? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Mountain America Credit Union and all the perks it brings. But before we jump in, a quick reminder, we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Yes, 100,000. And if you want to support this channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and drop a fire emoji in the comments. This helps the algorithm push the video out to more like-minded individuals like yourself. Now let's get started. Joining Mountain America is more than just opening an account. It's about becoming part of a community that value its customers. When joining, I really like this credit union because they make you feel very welcome, right? And they actually will cover your first year dues. Yes. And if you're thinking about the nitty-gritty details, don't worry, I got you. I've dug deep in this credit union to find the data points that you guys need to actually get approved or to know how you get approved. So let's get into these details. When opening an account, they will pull your check system report. So make sure your check system report is actually available to you so you know what's on your check system report. A heads up, if you've likely been denied a bank account, you might want to pull your check system report to know what's on it, because if you're likely been denied a bank account for just a regular traditional bank account like Bank of America, you might be likely denied a bank account here. So make sure you pull your check system report and try to see what's on it and try to fix those errors so that you can actually get approved for credit union accounts like this. So once they pull your check system report when opening a checking account, they will also tell you to sign up for a membership, because you need a membership in order to even get a checking account at a credit union. Now they will pull a soft pull on your Experian credit report for the membership, okay? Mountain America offers a range of credit cards, each tailored to different needs. They have the Visa low rate credit card, and this is best for those who carry a balance with and this also offers an APR as low as 13.24% and no annual fee. Now they also have the Visa Rewards credit card, and this is for those who want to earn rewards when spending. And you can earn points for every dollar spent, which is redeemable for travel, gifts, and more. And their APR starts at 14.24%. Next, we have the Visa Cashback card, and you can get 1.5% cash back on all eligible purchases with an APR as low as 17.74%. And the best part is there is no transfer fees and no annual fees. Now, Mountain America isn't just about banking, it's about making a difference in the community. They actively participate in local events, support charitable causes, and invest in community development. Being a member means that you're not only getting great financial services, but also contributing to the betterment of your community. Now, if you're wondering about the credit score needed for approval, Mountain America Credit Union uses your FICO credit score, your FICO 8 credit score to be exact. Now, this score helps lenders access your credit worthiness. And if you're curious about data points, don't worry, I got you. An individual that was granted $15,500 for a credit card had a experienced FICO score of 726 and an income exceeding $100,000. Now, this is what they had in order to get a $15,500 credit line at Mountain America Credit Union. Mountain America has branches in several states, including Arizona, Utah, Montana, Nevada, and New Mexico. But don't worry, if I haven't said your state, don't worry. I'm not just making this video for just them. The best part is that this is open to everyone. Yes, everyone. You watching, and you watching. Yes. They're giving memberships to everyone. It's like Oprah. You get a membership, you get a membership, and you get a membership. So that means they're open to everyone regardless of your location. So why choose a credit union over a traditional bank? Credit unions like Mountain America are known for their community-driven approach and offer competitive rates, personalized services and benefits tailored to their member needs. Plus, with a focus on financial education and community development, credit unions play a pivotal role in fostering financial literacy and growth. Now, common questions that you may have asked yourself: why get a credit card at a credit union? Well, it's for convenience, security, and building credit and rewards. And what about how many credit cards did you have? Well, you need at least one to build credit, but always pay that on time. What's needed for an online application? Well, for this application, you just need basic details like your name, your date of birth, your social security number, your income and employment history. And also, please be truthful on that, okay? Do not make false statements on that, because they will find out just by your social security number. And also, if you do plan to apply for a membership here and you don't get an instant response, how do you check your application status? Where you want to call their service center or visit a branch if you are in their location. Okay. One of the standout features of Mountain America is the absence of an annual fee. And guess what? When you're approved, they print the card for you right on spot at the branch if you are in that location. Now, it is a delightful card, and the rewards get deposited into your savings on a quarterly basis if you are earning cash back on your rewards. If you're considering opening a new account, here's what you'll need. You need your valid government-issued picture identification, social security number or your TIN, tax identification number. You need a $1 membership deposit. A check system report will only be pulled if a checking share exists or if it will be created on the account. So this means that because you're a new member, they will pull your check systems. But after you become a new member and you decide to apply for maybe 2 credit cards within 3 months, your check system is already pulled. You don't have to worry about your check system being pulled again. It's only being pulled when opening a checking shared account. And $100 is recommended when opening a balance for a checking share account. Now, if you have an existing account, just bring a valid government issued picture identification. And for those curious about credit limits, Mountain America is flexible, okay? They're flexible. Someone actually shared that they started with a $1,000 limit and they later got it increased to $10,000. Yes, a $9,000 increase. They're actually giving higher increases than Navy Federal. I think Navy Federal gives out 8,000 credit limit increases. So you may want to check this out, okay? Plus, you have the option to product change your credit card. Remember when we had that option to product change with Navy Federal? I think they actually took that away because, channels like me gave it out, yes, but I wanted to help you guys. So this may be your chance to product change with this credit union. A lot of people like to product change for various reasons. I do have videos on why you should product change, but they actually have the benefit to product change your card. This means, let's say you get approved for the Visa Cashback Rewards card, but you really wanted the one that had the low APR card with no rewards. Well, you can just call them and say, hey, can your product change to that card? And they will actually keep the same limit that you had on your previous card and change it to the new card. So in shorter words, that's what product change means when product changing your card. Now, this person that product changed his card initially had a 1.5 cashback card, and later it switched to the platinum card due to its low interest rate. So like I said, it all depends on what works for you. What's your goal plan? What's your plan when you're getting these credit cards? You always want to have a plan when getting credit cards like this, and you can actually build a goal plan in this credit union because they offer good limits, and they also offer services that can help you get there. Now, the maximum limit for these cards, remember they have 3 cards. All these cards go up to a whopping 30,000. Okay, so they have high limits now, high limits. Okay, so 30,000 is what you can get up to in this card. I do recommend, if you are looking for a high limit credit card, you might want to check them out because they're open to everyone. Now, if you're thinking about joining, it's simple. With just $1 and qualifying through the American Consumer Council, okay? And remember I said that there's a way that you could become a member even if you don't qualify with the locations. You can actually become the member under the American Consumer Council. And the best part is that they're not restricted on location. Okay, so this makes it open to everyone regardless of where you live. Okay, open to everyone. $30,000 credit limits, product changes, soft pull on Experian for memberships. They do pull Experian if you do apply for the credit card. Okay, so what you think? Interestingly, not many are discussing this credit union. I think I'm the first one to bring it to YouTube. So you're getting the inside scoop right here, right now. If you're considering joining, it's advisable to act on this soon because there's a possibility that given its rising popularity that people may talk about with this credit union, sharing their approval, sharing, data points, people are going to apply for this credit union because they want high limit credit cards, easy credit unions that are easy to get into. And this credit union might tighten up its services or eligibility criteria based on that. And because they've seen it here on this channel. So this has happened a lot on this channel where we basically give out hot gems, hot credit unions, and you see that these credit unions tighten down on things like this. So we've seen such shifts with several credit unions that we discussed on this channel in the past, so you might want to jump on it. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Mountain America Credit Union. If you found this video educational and exciting, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with the fire emoji down in the comment section. I want to see all you guys that are watching. Just drop a fire emoji. I know this video was fire. So remember, every interaction helps pushes this content to more individuals, and I truly appreciate your support. And now I have a question for you. Have you ever considered joining a credit union that is not in your area but is open to everyone? That means that you're not physically going to be able to go to this credit union, but it is open to everyone. Let me know why you would want to join a credit union like this, or let me know why not. You may not want to join something that's open to everyone. I want to hear your answers in the comment section below. Until next time, stay informed and make wise financial decisions, credit cousins. I see you in the next one. Bye.